So let's say now we want to see the street light color. So we want to collect the input of the current color from the user. So let's have this current color equals input. What is the current traffic light color? So now I want to make a decision. If current color equals to red, I want to print out stop. I want to say elif current color equals yellow. I want to print out ready. Alright, here elif current color equals to green. I want to print out go. Then else we can print out traffic light is not active. So let's see. Actually, this program is saying we are collecting the current color from the user, the current street light traffic light color from the user. Then according to what the user has input, we are going to check if it's equal to red. If the color is equal to red, we ask the driver to stop. Then if the current color is equal to yellow, we ask the driver to get ready. So let's put get ready here. Get ready. And if the color is equals to green here, we add the driver to go. So this actually add this program on. Let's run this and see. So now it's asking us for the user. So actually here we should have put something like not traffic light is not ready, something like current color is not recognized here. So let's say we're right here. It like can see the traffic light asks us to stop because the current color is red. Then let's change this back here to color not I just put something like on no color. So let's run this. So if I put something like green now, I say go. If I put something like yellow, get ready. Then a driver to get ready. So now if we put something like, let's say black or no color, because black is not in our program. Traffic light cannot have black color unless it's inactive. So that color is unknown for the driver. So you can just pass if you want, but make sure the police won't catch you. So that's what we call. So this is actually how you work with conditional statements. Actually, there is also something called nested decision making. And it's nested if statement. Like nested if statement is like if statement, then another if statement, another if statement. So let's take a look at something like that here. Let's say, we ask for the user current post Then we print out input your current post. Right before that, we want to have something like this. Where one symbolizes student, two symbolizes graduate. Three symbolizes married, and four symbolizes baby. Let's see baby. So here now we have to print user should enter. Sorry, this is meant to be input. So we want to convert this our input to integer here. So you can see when we run this. So let's put new line. So let's put new line here. Actually, to make your program appear a new line, you have to put this just a slash and the end. So when you run this, it happens to be like this. So now current post. So we want to check if current post equals to 1. If it's a student, then we want to ask for the grade, right? That means if the user is a student, we want to ask for the grade. Then we want to ask say grade equals input grade. Between between grade, let's say grade 1, 2, 3. So here now we want to have something like this too. I want to have this for grade 3, grade 2, and here for grade 1. Then here, I want to check, I want to convert this back to integer to int. Yeah, then I want to check if the grade, actually you can see here now, this if statement is under this one here. This if statement is under this one here. That means the length, a nested if statement. I want to check if grade equals to 1. Then you want to print out yo are you are in grade 1. Then here elif grade equals 2. Want to print out you are in grade 2. So last but not the least, say you're in grade 3. Then else, sorry, then else here, want to print out not in the list. So here, the if statement end there. Then here we want to have another elif for this place. So let me reduce this. So I want to have another elif here that say if current post equals 2, then I want to print out you are a graduate. Then elif, just going to go ahead and delete this baby. Don't need that anymore. Current post equals 3. Want to go ahead and print you are married. Then else here, want to print out not in the list. Surely you can see it here. We ask the user to input 1, 2 as a student, 2 as a graduate, and 3 as a married person. And here we convert the user input into integer. Then compare the integer to the current post. If current post is equals to 1, we know the person is a graduate. Then when he's a graduate, we ask for his graduate again. Between the grade or sorry. When the current post is 1, we know the person is a student. And when the person is a student, we ask for the grade again. Between the grade of 1 to 3. Then the grade is 1, we tell the user you are in grade 1, 2, you are in grade 2, 3, you are in grade 3. Then else, not in the list. That means your grade is not in the list. Then going back to this outside if your current post equals to 2, tell the user you are a graduate. Then if it's equals to 3, you tell the user you are married. Then else, tell the user not in the list. So let's check this out here. Just gonna raise this back up, way up. So let's say 1. That's if our grade here. Let's say grade 2. You are in grade 2. So let's run this again. So if I should say 2 here, you are a graduate. So let's run this again. If I should say 3 here, you are married. So let's run this one more time. 1. If I should say grade 3, you are in grade 3. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial with us. And coming next, we are going to be talking about, yes, I think that should be working with operators in Python. Alright, we are going to be releasing that very soon. You might want to know what you can use operators to do and the type of operator we have. All of them, going through all the operators you can use in Python. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like this video. Share the video. Comment below if there's any other thing you think I should release, any other tutorial you think might be of interest to you or your friend, or that you think might be of help to you. You can comment it down there so I can release video on that.